The single burner camping buddy comes with a cooking stove, cooking grate, bamboo tray, inlet regulator, and pipe. The rotary ignition allows for quick and matchless lighting. The bamboo tray is extremely versatile. It can be a chopping board and it can also be used as a serving tray. Its compact design makes it very easy for carrying and storage. The detached grate flips 180 degrees for convenient storage. This thing is so versatile, it's absolutely wonderful for making one-pot meals. Right now what we're going to do is make pork medallions with mushrooms, green peppers, red onions, and a Chipotle Tabasco sauce. So what I've done is I've heated up a little bit of oil in my pan, and I'm simply going to take my pork medallions and lightly dredge them in just a little bit of flour. Now that our pork is in, we're going to add a tiny bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to add our vegetables to it. If you feel you need a little bit more olive oil, now's the time to add just a splash more. Now that our vegetables and our pork are cooked, we're simply going to plate them and add just a touch more of our Tabasco Chipotle. With our green pepper, red onion, and mushroom,